Welcome back, friends. Today we'll see simple inheritance. Inheritance allows us to create hierarchical classification, and this is very important concept of Java. Using inheritance, we can create a general class that defines traits common to a set of related items. So this class can be inherited by other classes, each adding those things that are unique to them. The class that is inherited is called superclass. The class that is inheriting is called subclass. Okay, no class can be superclass of itself. Superclass is also a completely independent standalone class which can be used for itself. Okay, so even if it is used as superclass, it doesn't mean that it cannot be used for itself. It can be used for itself. It is commonly independent standalone class. And subclass inherits all the members defined by the superclass. Except for the private members. So private members remain private to their class. It is not accessible by any code outside its class, including subclasses. So the subclasses inherits all the members defined by the superclass except for the private members. Subclass can be a superclass for another subclass. Okay. And object class is the superclass of all classes in Java. And to inherit a class, we simply incorporate the definition of one class into another by using extends keyword. So we'll see how to do that. The general form of inheritance is, say I'm having class A and class B extends A. Okay, so this means that B is the subclass and A is the superclass. An invalid case is where I am having two classes A and B and class C extends A comma B. Okay, so this is invalid because Java do not support inheritance of multiple classes into a single class. So Java do not support multiple inheritance through classes. So you cannot have something like this. Okay, friends, we'll see a simple Java program wherein I'll show how to implement a simple inheritance.
Okay friends, here you can see there are two classes, teacher class and CSE teacher. Teacher class is the super class and CSE teacher is a subclass. Inside the teacher class you are having two variables, college name, department, and one method, display method. And inside CSE teacher you are having one variable which is subject and then a method which is show. Show is specific to the subclass. And inside the main method we are creating instance of the subclass, and through the subclass we are accessing the members of the superclass. So display is the superclass method. We are accessing display by the subclass, and college name and CSE department are also the superclass variables, and they are accessed using the subclass instance. And show can be directly accessed because it's a method of the subclass. So we'll see the execution of this program. So this is simple inheritance, my friends. So we'll see the execution. So the name of the class is SI. So I'm saying Java C si.java, and the file name is also si.java. So now the class name is SI. So we are saying Java SI. And as you can see in the output, we are accessing the members of the superclass by the subclass instance. So it is printing what is there in the display method is printed there, and then the variables of the superclass and the method of the subclass. You can see that in the output very clearly. So this is simple inheritance. And now take this quiz, and this quiz is also called as Viva questions. So okay, so you can pause this video and take a guess of answers for each and every question.